What is up, guys? Welcome back to our Fire Show here on the Hot Rails at the Kiamichi Railroad. Welcome back. We are here, and guess what, guys? We are here, and they're coming from their original way on a Wednesday here. I did record last night, but they had a switchment movement going on where at Weyerhaeuser they done a few switching movements. Like I got a video of it, 21-minute video you guys seen a few days or a few weeks ago. That's the one where they just done last night. That's the grain train!
Are you sure?
This is the grain train! It's the grain train, y'all! This is the grain train! Listen to that horn! I think it is. It is, because listen to that horn. Just listen to it. Okay, I'm sorry for that freak out right there. I literally screamed. Oh my God, what time is it? Let me ask my mom. Is it 10:16, the earliest the grain train come through the night. The earliest night ran grain train, I think it's the grain train. Now, it could or couldn't be, this cause man probably would have told me, but I don't know. But let's go. Probably first grain train. I heard that horn, I was like, Mama, that's the grain train. Like, seriously, it's the grain train. I just know it is. I just know it's them. That horn. That horn is sound like just like BNSF. Just like BNSF. Unless it's BNSF carrying the freight train. Here we go on the Hot Rails grain train, or Kiamichi, or the mixed freight with BNSF. The motors, I can hear them. That is BNSF. Okay, here we go, everybody. BNSF. This is BNSF. Guys, y'all literally heard that motor. That motor is loud. And this is the only way the grain train had come from the last time. It has to come back this way. Am I fixing to catch something, or they're coming through because the freaking it's cold. It's like freaking 50-something degrees. Yep, that's the grain train. That's either grain train or BNSF power moving the grain train, or moving the freight train. I'll be BNSF. Yeah, that's BNSF. That is BNSF. Excellent BNSF. Yes, that's BNSF. Woohoo! It's BNSF. I'm literally crying almost because I just literally got, I knew it was a grain train. I just had a feeling it was. This is epic. This is the best thing that's happened to me. I haven't heard this thing in so long. Oh my god. That was unreal. I'm sorry guys. I can't with that. That was the most rarest thing that has ever happened on the Kiamichi Railroad. I'm sorry for freaking out. Holy smokes. Oh my. I thought there was more. I thought it was a normal freight train with power like that. I know freight trains don't have that kind of power. Well, he was like really big. Holy smokes. Smoke. Holy cow. I wonder if it's Freddy or DPU. Probably Freddy because there's a lot of DPUs. I mean, I am so, holy smokes. I don't even, I'm speechless. I'm literally like a speechless person, I know. Holy cow. Marshall, if you're watching this, you just missed the best action in the whole world. Marshall, holy smokes, JP trains, holy smokes, y'all missed it, holy cow. I'm saying every word in the book right now, because I am freaking out. I'm cold though, but hey, they're coming through at early time. Oh my god, yeah, this, okay, I'm going to explain this for my teachers. This train never comes through Idabel. This train rarely ever comes through, especially CSX. That was rare. That was the rarest thing I could ever catch. Y'all just going to click on this video. Oh my god, I'm going to imagine, because y'all, that was cool. I finally got to see the CSX, and I really wanted to see the CSX. I wonder if that, oh my god, that was just so rare. I'm still speechless of it. I may go Garvin because I want to see that unit again. That, instead of it being burning hot, it is freezing cold. My phone's freezing cold. But that's better. That's better than being scorching hot temperatures. They're already out 70 right now, so it's probably going to go to, they're probably going to go to Garvin. Man, the tracks are going to whistle in after this. I bet you anything the tracks are going to whistle. Like whistle. Like I mean an actual whistle. It's going to go like that. I wonder what's at the end. BNSF or a Freddy. I think it's DPU. I don't know. DPU Freddy. They need Freddy. Wow. I love this. I knew it was the grain train by that horn. And those motors. Like this is like a dream. This is like a dream right now. I'm like thinking it's all a dream, but it's not. It's real. This is actually coming through. It's 10 o'clock, almost 11 o'clock. But it's still. Oh my god, that means the grain train's on. It'll be coming back through and it'll be in after 2 months. And y'all know this has been a while since I've checked this thing. This is a long video already. So adding Garvin's video probably will make a long video. If my mom says yes about Garvin. I'm literally gonna call Marshall and tell him, if you're watching this right now, Marshall, when it's posted, yeah, you probably already know this, but I'm gonna call you and tell you the grain train just went through. And it's got a CSX unit on it. And I want you to come to Garvin if you can. That's what I'm gonna say. You probably already know. You probably already got the call. Or you probably right there behind this Well, we're gonna see if we can go to Garvin. Bye, y'all. What is up, guys? Welcome to Shoreline Rough Channel here on the Hot Rails. We're back in Garvin. Guys, we got the BNSF grain train rolling down the line. We're here in Garvin now, and it is currently 11 something right now. 11:24 right now. They're rolling west, the grain train. So we're here in Garvin, like I said, and I had a kind of a fear because I heard something over in the woods or something, so I wasn't really wanting to come up here and film, but I've overdone that fear, so I still kind of hear it, but it's not as bad as it was. I literally heard all this screeching. Oh yeah, last time we were here, they had these lights in, but they put more. They put extra all the way down the road, all the way, and then they changed these gate lights to LED crossing lights. The last time we were here, they were just one right there and one right there, and then now they have it all the way down the road. And the railroad did replace the lights, but the Highline poles, it's a different story. You hear that train working hard. They've probably done a crew change. I have a feeling they did, because they probably stopped down in at Warehouser. But here my mom and my sister, they're in the truck staying warm. I'm out here freezing my butt off. But here comes the grain train. It's long, so we're going to have to wait on this long train to come through. So we're going to back up, because look at the tracks. Look how bad they are. They're rolling down the hill. These activate earlier than they have ever activated. I still hear that thing in the woods. Here they come. They're rolling here at 11:25. This is pretty early too. And right there at that thing is where they activate. Ding, 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 ding. You hear that bell having trouble. Ding, 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 ding. Woo! TSX engine. I'm a huge other fan of TSC. I'm a huge fan of the TSX too. My phone's battery is falling off right now, so yeah, I know I'm talking a lot. That's because that's all there is to do. Little crossing. It ain't slow blinking no more. I heard those that they'll hesitate to activate. That's the thing that I heard. Guys, my intro's going to be here, and my outro. I wish my buddy Marshall was with me. Man, it would be good to let him see that CSX engine. That was pretty rare. Especially on the Kiamichi Railroad. I freaked when I knew it was the grain train. Freaked out. There's more cars to come. It's not over yet. But I do think they need to start doing this more often. That means we're going to be coming from this direction the next time we come. Boss man just texted us at 4, y'all. I don't know if that was him or not because it looks just like him. I mean, that's the only person I could think about who's nice and who waves. But I don't know if he's or not. I don't really know. I've asked him if he's taking that green train. I don't really know. Because I want to know and I don't, but this train is probably going to be a bit long. So this video is probably going to be going. I got my hoodie on. I got my pants on. But I did. I don't know if I am. I think I'll save it for a switching move because that was what they done last time. If y'all seen the first clip. Me and my mom are gonna watch the one at Oklahoma City to see if this is the one that went through there. And another railroad I'd like to see through here would be KCS. KCS would be the rarest thing ever. I have a feeling I do think this is one of them we've seen down location. They can't really go from Wakanda down to Ashdown from Oklahoma City. That don't work unless they go on Kiamichi Southern Line. And they have a heater in that thing, and I don't have a heater. I see Freddy, and I know what I'm gonna go ahead and start doing. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and I'll see you guys tomorrow on the high rails of the Kiamichi Railroad. Guys, this has been Josh. The grain train is right now coming through Garvin, Oklahoma. Go subscribe to Jason S. Sling, all those amazing rope fitters out there, Jenny Stranger, Roping, Marshall Price, all them good people out there. And I'll talk to you guys later. Go watch another video if you have a chance. It always helps. And but wait, there's more. Bye, y'all. There goes BNSF Freddy. See y'all later. They're on the hot rails, especially hot now. Ding, 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 ding. Bye, y'all.